excited for today. Because today is the big day. Because I am getting a dog. Because I can't not wait. I need to go downstairs, turn all the lights back on. But first, I'm going to open the blind. Ring doo, ring doo, ring doo. I'm all done. Anyways, let's go downstairs and turn all of the lights back on. Okay, now since I turned all of the lights back on, I am going to make breakfast since I'm already next to the kitchen. So first I'm going to make some pancakes. Okay, so now since I have the pancake mix, I'm going to mix it up. See you guys when I'm done. I'm all done with the pancakes. I'm going to eat. That's so good. I'm all done. So now since I'm all done, I'm going to go upstairs. Since I'm upstairs, I'm going to brush my teeth. So now, let me brush my teeth. Ding, ding, ding. Two. So now I'm all done brushing my teeth, and now I'm going to get ready so I can get to the pet shop. Okay, I'm all done. I curled my hair, I put this top on, I have some leggings. I just did all of that. Now, let's get in the car. So now I'm in the car, so I'm going to drive there. I'm here at the pet shop. I'm going to park. And now let's go inside. Wow, this is so cute. Let me go inside. Hi. Hi, ma'am. How can I help you? I was thinking about getting a pet today. Okay, ma'am. Follow me. Okay. So follow me to our selections. Okay. Just over here is your dogs. I love dogs. Let me just open the gate for you. Do they bite? No, they do not bite, ma'am. Okay. They're so cute. Just look at them. I really like this golden retriever one. Well, if you do, you can get it. But we also have some cats over here, so let's go over here. Okay. So these are the cats. Somebody already bought the cats. One of them. So these. Okay. Well, I'm not really a cat person. But that's fine. I think I made my decision. What's your decision? And I can give it to you. This one right here. Well, that is a pretty good choice. What's her name? Is it a her? It's a her. It's a her. And her name is... I love the name Cookie. I want her. Okay, so let's go to the checkout. And I can get that dog for you. Here are the dog papers. Thank you. Have a nice day. I will. I'm so excited for the new dog that I just got. So now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home and And like, I don't even know. And I'm gonna go home and I don't even know. I need to make the dog. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But, oh, bye. It's so long. Go to you. I hope this turns out good. Please, please, I should go. Go snow. Go snow. Okay, so I got out of the car and I'm finally home. Okay, so I got out of the car and I'm finally home. Now I'm gonna put him in his spot. Now I put him right here. Oh, he's so cute. And now it's nighttime, so I'm gonna go to bed. Bye, guys!